Across the vast tapestry of the cosmos, galaxies swirl and dance in a celestial ballet, graceful yet chaotic, majestic yet violent. Among these billions of star cities, an ancient and relentless drama unfolds. It is a story of hunger and survival on a cosmic scale, a story known as galactic cannibalism. Galaxies, these immense assemblies of billions or even trillions of stars, do not live in isolation. They gather in clusters and groups, drawn together by gravity's invisible hand. In these crowded cosmic neighborhoods, encounters are inevitable, and sometimes one galaxy will devour another, tearing it apart, swallowing stars and gas, reshaping itself in the process. To witness galactic cannibalism is to glimpse the universe's raw power, a process both destructive and creative. It's a slow-motion collision, a dance of titanic forces unfolding over hundreds of millions of years. Stars are scattered like cosmic breadcrumbs, gas clouds compressed into new bursts of stellar birth, and entire structures transformed. Though the term cannibalism evokes images of ruthless consumption, it is, in fact, a fundamental driver of galactic evolution. Our own Milky Way is a glutton, having feasted on numerous smaller galaxies during its long history. These cosmic meals shape galaxies' size, structure, and destiny. This grand feast is far from rare. In every corner of the observable universe, galaxies are locked in gravitational struggles, colliding, merging, and growing. Galactic cannibalism is the cosmic engine behind the formation of the largest galaxies, the sprawling ellipticals that dominate galaxy clusters. But what drives this cosmic hunger? How do galaxies collide without immediate destruction? What does it mean for the stars, planets, and even potential life caught in the crossfire? And how did this process sculpt the universe we see today? To answer these questions, we must journey into the depths of space and time, to the very heart of galaxies and the cosmic web that binds them. Galaxies are the universe's grandest building blocks, vast islands of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, bound together by gravity. Their origins trace back nearly 14 billion years to the aftermath of the Big Bang, when the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles and energy. As the universe expanded and cooled, tiny fluctuations in density seeded the growth of structure. Dark matter, an invisible and mysterious substance, gathered into vast halos, creating gravitational wells that attracted gas and dust. Over hundreds of millions of years, these primordial clumps coalesced into the first galaxies, small, irregular, and chaotic. These early galaxies were turbulent and violent places. Stars formed rapidly, burning hot and dying young. Galaxies grew by absorbing gas and merging with one another, building complexity through cosmic collisions. This process, repeated countless times, gave rise to the diversity of galaxies we observe today: spiral, elliptical, lenticular, and irregular. Galactic cannibalism is a natural consequence of this hierarchical assembly. Larger galaxies grow by feeding on smaller companions. Gravity, relentless and unyielding, pulls galaxies toward each other, initiating slow, dramatic collisions. Unlike collisions between solid objects, galactic mergers unfold over hundreds of millions of years. Individual stars rarely collide, as the distances between them are immense. Instead, gravity orchestrates a cosmic dance, distorting shapes, triggering waves of star formation, and funneling gas toward galactic centers. The results are spectacular. Mergers can spark intense starbursts, lighting up galaxies with brilliant new stars. They can fuel the growth of supermassive black holes at the cores of galaxies, unleashing powerful jets and radiation that reshape their surroundings. Through these processes, galaxies evolve, merging their histories into ever larger, more complex systems. Galactic cannibalism is not instantaneous. It is a slow, intricate process governed by gravity's subtle but inexorable pull. When two galaxies approach, their mutual attraction begins a complex interaction that can last hundreds of millions of years. At first, the galaxy's outer halos of dark matter and gas feel the tug of their companion. As they draw nearer, tidal forces stretch and distort their shapes, pulling stars and gas into vast tidal tails, streams of matter arcing across space like cosmic rivers. These tidal interactions set the stage for the eventual merger. The galaxies orbit each other, losing energy through gravitational interactions and dynamical friction, a process where stars and dark matter particles act like cosmic brake pads, slowing the galaxies down. As their orbits decay, the galaxies begin to interpenetrate. Their disks warp and ripple, spiral arms twist and break apart. Gas clouds collide and compress, triggering waves of star formation, stellar nurseries ignited by the cosmic upheaval. In the heart of the galaxies, their supermassive black holes spiral inward, locked in an inevitable gravitational embrace. Over millions of years, these titans draw closer, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that releases enormous energy and reshapes the galactic core. The final result is a single, larger galaxy, often an elliptical, its stars mixed and randomized by the violent dance. The once distinct galaxies become one, their histories woven together in the fabric of the new giant. But galactic cannibalism is not only a story of destruction. It is also a tale of creation, of new stars born from colliding gas, of complex structures formed by gravitational sculpting, and of galaxies growing into the majestic forms we admire across the cosmos. Our own Milky Way is a living testament to the power of galactic cannibalism. For billions of years, it has feasted on smaller galaxies, absorbing their stars, gas, and dark matter, shaping its spiral arms and central bulge. The evidence lies all around us. Streams of stars, remnants of devoured galaxies, arc through the Milky Way's halo like ghostly fingerprints of past meals. The Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, currently being shredded by the Milky Way's gravity, is a vivid example of ongoing cannibalism in our cosmic backyard. These cosmic collisions have influenced the formation of our galaxy's structure and even our solar neighborhood. Some of the stars we see in the night sky were born far from the Milky Way and other galaxies before becoming part of our celestial home. Moreover, galactic cannibalism has implications for life itself. As galaxies merge, the resulting bursts of star formation and radiation can influence the environments around them, potentially affecting the habitability of planetary systems. Our galaxy's future is also a tale of inevitable cosmic collision. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will begin its slow merger with the neighboring Andromeda Galaxy, a dramatic event that will reshape both galaxies, triggering new waves of star formation and perhaps even giving rise to new stellar systems. This cosmic feast, this dance of devouring and creation, is a fundamental process shaping the universe's grand architecture. It reminds us that galaxies, like living organisms, grow, evolve, and transform through complex interactions. Galactic cannibalism is a profound narrative of the universe's cycles of destruction and creation, a reminder that even the grandest structures are transient and ever-changing. These cosmic collisions challenge our perceptions of permanence and isolation. Galaxies are not static islands, but dynamic entities, constantly interacting, merging, and evolving. Through their cannibalistic hunger, they forge the universe's diversity and beauty. For humanity, this story invites us to contemplate our place in the cosmos. We are inhabitants of a galaxy shaped by countless ancient collisions. Our solar system formed in the aftermath of this cosmic upheaval.